morning everyone. In today's video, we are going to know more about division by equal grouping.
What do we mean by equal group? A group is said to be an equal group if it has the same number of items as all of the other groups. The main purpose of the division is to find out how many equal groups can be formed or how many can there be in each group when shared equally. Let's take an example here. If there are 12 balls and 3 boxes, how to put 12 balls into equal sized boxes? We make groups of the numbers that we are dividing by. The number of groups we made is the answer to the division. So equal grouping means to form groups that have the same number of equivalent or alike items or similar items. Here Kate has drawn 16 stars on a page. So Kate made 4 groups of 4 stars each. And what is the total of them? The total is 4 times 4, that is 16. So how many groups did Kate make? She made 4 groups. And how many 4s are there in 16? There are 4 4s in 16. Children, you all know that division means repeated subtraction. Now when we group 16 stars into 4 equal groups, we need to subtract 4 repeatedly. So how many groups did we form? We formed 4 groups. And how many 4s are there in 16? There are 4 4s. So it can also be written as 16 divided by 4 to give us the answer as 4. So we have divided 16 stars into 4 equal groups to form 4 stars in each group. We can see that division is opposite to multiplication. In multiplication, we are adding 4 times 4, and in division, we are subtracting repeatedly this 4 to get the answer.